Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to log out of your TV2Play account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and go to play.tv2.no and press enter on your keyboard to end up in the main home page for TV2Play. If you're logged into your account and you would like to find a quick way to log out or sign out of it, then it's pretty simple. From the first main home page, go ahead and click on your name at the top right hand corner. In the expanded menu, select the logout option. But remember that you must know your credentials before logging out of your account, since it's crucial to enter your email and password while logging into your account in the future. Once you click log out, you will be logged out or redirected to this main homepage. And that is how you should be able to log out or sign out of your TV2Play account within a few minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.